Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Realme 12 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see incorrect pin entered. Please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key. Press the volume up and power key. Now slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together. Now press and hold it, volume down and power key together, and now release. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Now select the language, and here you can see in recovery, format data, reboot device and power off. Tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 9533. Enter it 9533, and here you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and here you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 12 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.